What should I do after a major water damage claim? The most important thing is to act fast. Dry out the space within 24 to 48 hours. Take photos and videos of everything before you touch or remove anything, and call a certified water restoration contractor right away so the damage does not get worse while your insurance claim is being processed. Here is the part most people do not realize. Water damage keeps spreading even after the water is gone, because moisture soaks into walls, flooring, and wood framing where you cannot see it. If that hidden moisture is not dried out properly, mold can start growing in as little as 24 to 72 hours, and mold remediation almost always costs more than the original water cleanup. A trick that most homeowners never hear about is that restoration companies use special tools called moisture meters and infrared cameras to find wet spots hiding behind walls and underfloors that look completely dry on the surface. Before any repairs begin, take clear photos and short videos of every room, every wall, and every damaged item, since insurance companies rely heavily on visual proof to approve your full claim amount. Keep a written list of damaged furniture, electronics, and personal items, including how old they were and roughly what they cost, because this becomes your official inventory for reimbursement. One common mistake is throwing away damaged items too quickly, because once they are gone, you lose your proof for the insurance adjuster, so always photograph items before removing them from your home. Another mistake is assuming your homeowner's policy automatically covers everything, when in reality, many policies have specific limits or exclusions for certain types of water damage. So call your insurance agent early and ask exactly what is covered. A lot of people also wait too long to call a professional, thinking they can dry things out themselves with fans, but without commercial-grade equipment, hidden moisture often stays trapped and turns into a much bigger and more expensive problem later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.